Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lena and today I'm having Indian food. So let's get started because I'm starving. So I'm gonna eat this with my hands, but since I have nails, long nails, I'm not going to, I'm gonna use a glove. So I have this glove. I was not prepared to get a tighter fitting glove, so this might be a little hard for me, but. So right here, I got garlic naan. It is so good. I love garlic naan. I like to dip the naan in sauce. This right here is called Saag aloo. I believe it is spinach with potatoes. I might have to search it up again, but. I've been craving Indian food for so long. This right here is chicken curry. It's my favorite because it's spicy. That's when you know my spice tolerance went up because I used to be able to not even eat this without like doing that. I don't really want to use this glove anymore, but I don't want to eat with my nails. This right here is Chicken Tikka Masala. It's really popular. All right, I'm gonna start with this. I'm not really good at eating with my hands, guys, so please bear with me. Super tender. I love every sauce that comes with Indian food. So creamy. And this is very buttery. All right, let's taste the chicken curry. I'm surprised because usually in chicken curry, the meat is so much more tender than the chicken or the tikka masala because it's stewed. But today, it's the opposite. Saag aloo is so good. I can eat so much of it. I remember when I was so intimidated to try it because, I mean, at first glance, I didn't feel like eating it, but ever since I tried it, I can't get enough. It's so good. Oh my gosh. This piece is really tender. I'm eating kind of fast today. I kind of always eat fast, but today I'm kind of in a hurry. I decided to do this mukbang in between right before having to do something. And I had to do a couple takes, so I lost some time. And it's just really, really yummy. I tend to eat really quick when it's good. Like when I go eat out, I can finish a meal in like 10 minutes and be out of there so quick. Which I guess isn't a good thing all the time. You're supposed to sit there and enjoy, but I'm just like, I'm going to town. How do you guys think I'm doing with my hands? I feel like I thought it would be a little, oh! I spilled. I thought it was going to be a little harder, but yeah. This sauce is so good. Here's a potato. I was just wondering where a potato was. Holy crap, I ate a lot of rice. That was a lot of rice. So I think I'll stop here for now because the anxiety of me having to go do what I need to do right now is taking over my mind. I'm not going to be able to focus on my eating. Whoa. That was so good though. I'm probably going to go do what I need to do and come home and finish it. It's that good. Yeah, if you guys are, because I know some people are afraid to try different foods, but I can assure you that if you love different kind of spices and flavors, you should definitely give Indian food a try. And I mean, I feel like living is just expanding your taste palette. Is that too... I think that's too much for now. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.